Hey everyone! Welcome to our video about why it's important to know what you're good at. Middle and high school are times when you grow, learn, and discover more about yourself. Understanding your strengths can help you feel confident and focused during these years. Today, we'll talk about why knowing your strengths is important, how to find them, and how to use them well. Let's get started. Why knowing your strengths is important. 1. Boost your confidence. When you know what you're good at, you feel more sure of yourself. This confidence can help you face challenges and pursue opportunities with a positive attitude. 2. Helps you do better in school. Knowing your strengths can make you do better in school. For example, if you're good at writing, you might do well in language arts. Using your strengths can lead to better grades and make learning more fun. 3. Aids in planning your future career. Finding your strengths early can help you make smart choices about your future job. It can help you pick the right subjects, activities, and college majors that match your abilities and interests. 4. Strengthens your relationships. When you recognize and use your strengths, you can be a positive influence on your relationships. For instance, if you're good at listening, you can support your friends better. Knowing your strengths can help you form stronger connections with others. 5. Encourages you to grow. Recognizing your strengths can help you grow as a person. It lets you focus on improving your abilities and becoming the best version of yourself. It also helps you set realistic goals. How to find your strengths. 1. Look at your achievements. Think about things you've done well and felt proud of. These achievements can show your strengths. Write them down and think about what skills or qualities helped you succeed. 2. Ask for feedback. Others can sometimes see our strengths better than we can. Ask friends, family, teachers, or coaches for feedback. They can give you valuable insights into what they think your strengths are. 3. Take strengths quizzes. Online quizzes can help you identify your strengths. These quizzes analyze your answers and give you a report of your strengths. Some popular quizzes are the VIA Character Strengths Survey and the Strengths Finder. 4. Notice your interests. Activities you enjoy can show your strengths. Pay attention to what energizes you. For example, if you like solving puzzles, you might be good at problem solving. Your interests can guide you towards your strengths. 5. Watch your behavior. Pay attention to how you act in different situations. Notice when you feel confident and do well. These moments can reveal your strengths. For example, if you often lead group activities, you might have good leadership skills. 6. Try new things. Experiment with different activities to discover your strengths. Trying new tasks can help you find abilities you didn't know you had. Be open to new opportunities and stepping out of your comfort zone. How to use your strengths well. 1. Set goals. Make achievable goals that match your strengths. For example, if you're good at public speaking, try joining a debate club. Using your strengths to reach goals can boost your confidence. 2. Choose your activities wisely. Pick activities that match your strengths. This will make the activities more enjoyable and help you excel. 3. Help others. Use your strengths to help others. Whether it's tutoring someone or leading a project, using your strengths to help people can be rewarding. 4. Keep improving. Keep working on your strengths. Look for chances to grow and learn in areas you're already good at. Continuing to develop your strengths will keep you motivated. 5. Stay positive. Remind yourself of your strengths when things get tough. Knowing what you're good at can help you stay positive and face challenges with confidence. Understanding and using your strengths is a powerful way to navigate the challenges of middle and high school. It boosts your confidence, enhances your academic performance, and helps you build stronger relationships. By recognizing your strengths, you can set meaningful goals, choose the right activities, and continue to grow and develop. Remember, everyone has unique strengths. Take the time to discover yours and use them to make the most of your school years and beyond. Thanks for watching. Until next time, embrace your strengths and keep shining.